All right, here. What do you got right here, Rocky?
I got this round, small boat. It works, but it's slow. Cheapest I found was 138 on eBay. Don't pay 200. Some of them are on there for 200.
Would you say that this is the best budget boat?
Honestly, yes.
Makes me want to get wet. Ready?
Yeah.
Oops.
Uh-oh. 2,
3.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, no. Oh, my God, dude.
It sheared my spoiler off.
Dude, the spoiler and the side guard. Woo. No, look at the side of that thing. You got it smashed, man. Man. Oh, oh, man. Oh, man. Launch that thing, man.
What's stopping?
Oh, no, dude. God, look at that thing. Smashed it. Yeah, all right. Oh, no, my beautiful body. Yeah, it's fine. It's just got a little bit scuffed.
Tell the viewers this is just casual beauty bashing. We don't want to hurt anything.
God, it's so professional.
Get my wet leg.
Oh,
It's drying now.